Dongguan Lvxin Packaging Technology Company Limited, established in 2016, located in Dongguan City, which between Guangzhou and Shenzhen City with super convenient transportation. We're professional in the research, development, manufacturing, sale, and service of biodegradable mold pulp packaging. All of our products are made from environmentally and eco-friendly raw materials: sugarcane paper, bamboo fiber paper, wood paper, and recycled paper. The process is pulping in water, shaping in molds, finalized in high temperature pressure, and cutting at the end. Everything can be recycled and reused on production. There will not have any water or paper wasted. It can also be dried by sunshine within 1 day. Make full use of solar energy to reduce carbon emissions. In our R&D team, 3 engineers, more than 13 years experience in molded pulp industry, 10 skilled workers, and 4 CNC machines in our own mold room. We can short the mold time in 5 days. From designing, molding, sampling, manufacturing, and other packaging sourcing, our professional team are providing the one-stop services for clients from all over the world. We accept small MQO and offer flexible lead time, helping customers to short many developing time. In addition, our cooperative factory has obtained ISO 9001, FSC, RoHS, SGS certificates. Highly welcome to contact and visit us for more details discussion.